In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your due dates on Monday.com. We're going to set up a simple automation so that every time you create a new task, Monday.com will automatically fill in the due date for you. This is really helpful if you want to keep your tasks consistent and avoid forgetting to set deadlines manually. Start by opening the board where you manage your tasks. This might be your main project board, your team board, or any space where you keep track of work that needs a due date. Once your board is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Automate button. This is where all of your automation rules live. When the Automation Center opens, choose the option that says Create Custom Automation. This lets you build your own rule instead of using a template, which is perfect for something specific like due dates. You'll see a sentence that starts with, "When this happens," and continues with, "Then do this." Click on the part that says, "When this happens." From the list of options, select Item Created. This tells Monday.com that you want the automation to run every time a brand new item or task is added to your board. That could be you creating it, or a teammate, or even another automation adding an item. Next, click on the Then Do This section. From the list of actions, choose Set Date. This is the action that will actually update the date on your item for you. Now you need to tell Monday.com which date to set. Click on the word date in the sentence that appears. A drop-down will open with all the date columns on your board. Choose your due date column or whichever column you use to track deadlines. If you don't see a dedicated due date column, you may want to go back later and rename your date column so it's clear for everyone on your team. Once you've selected the correct column and confirmed that the sentence reads the way you want, click Create Automation. Monday.com will save the rule and turn it on right away. From now on, every time you create a new item on that board, the automation will step in and set the due date for you automatically, keeping your workflow faster, cleaner, and more consistent.